I am well and truly in need of a hair wash. Look at my hair, like what is going on? The other day, I put my hair in bubble braids and it completely stretched my hair out. I thought I would bring you along with me for my hair wash, and we're gonna be going for maximum definition and maximum volume because I have like a party tonight, like an event, and I really want my hair to look nice. So let's get in the shower.
Okay, the aim for this wash is to make sure that I get all the build-up off, because we cannot get maximum definition and volume or just thrive in general when we have build-up on our hair. So first of all, I'm going in with the E45 dry scalp shampoo. I do go on about this a lot just because it's really affordable and it just does the job. I massage that into my scalp and I do bring it through the lengths of my hair as well. I don't brush this one through just because I think this one would maybe snag the hair. I only brush through those really moisturizing shampoos. Now I'm going in with a Curlsmith post-wash calming conditioner. I think I got a little bit in my eye. And I actually love this because you can put it on your scalp and your lengths, and you can't do that with every conditioner. So I really like the fact that I can use this to detangle, and I can really run the brush through my scalp as well, and it kind of will replenish the scalp from any dryness from a shampoo or anything. Now, after rinsing thoroughly, I like to put my microfiber towel in upright to preserve my detangled hair so I don't have to do it all over again. If you flip your hair over in a wrap style, it can sometimes result in a tangled mess. So I find tying it this way really helps with that.
We have a special visitor. He's having his wash day now as well. Okay, to get maximum definition and volume at the same time, we're going to have to consider a few things and a few different steps. So I'm going to show you what I do for me. I'm going to start with soaking wet hair, so I'm going to re-wet my hair a bit in a minute because it has started to dry. I'm going to go in with this weightless air dry cream, and I'm also going to mix it with the full body thickening lotion from Curlsmith. I've never actually mixed them together. It doesn't suggest to do that. You should just do like one after the other. But I'm going to try mixing it, but this is going to give me a bit of extra body, the thickening lotion. The cream's going to prep my hair for brush styling. I'm probably going to do the flip section method, which if you haven't already heard of it, it's a method I came up with to give you maximum definition and volume. Okay, so, and then I was going to go in with a Hydro Style Flexi Jelly, and then this Bouncy Strength, the volume foam for a bit of lightweight volume at the end. So I'm going to start with wetting the hair down. So this is pretty wet now. I'm gonna go and mix the weightless air dry cream. I'm gonna start off small and then I'm gonna add more if I think I need it. So I put that much in. And I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've mixed that in my hands, and now I'm gonna distribute it to make sure that the product is evenly coated. I find that this is a really important step for definition because when you're evenly distributing a cream, you're ensuring that no areas are missed and no random areas are gonna be really frizzy because you've smoothed that cream all over. Especially remember the back. The back is really easy to forget. And now we are going to section the hair for brush styling, and this is where we're going to really clump the curls together, and we're going to separate them with a comb, which is going to help give that volume. Before sectioning, I always rake my hair from my root. We need to create some space at the root to allow us to section. I'm going to take my index fingers and I'm going to glide them through my hair where they meet in the middle, and that helps me create the section, twist the hair, put it into a clip. Next one, I'm just doing 2 in the clip, so I've got 3 sections in total. If you feel like your hair's started to dry again, then just spray it down with some water. Now I'm taking this bristle brush. What I do with this brush is take sections like this, push through, index finger, and I push away from my face. I take my hand, put it underneath, shake, and you can see them clumping together. And I'm taking big sections which are bigger than my curl width, and I'm going to comb them to divide them afterwards so they reflect my natural width a little bit more. You don't have to do that, but I personally prefer the result. Push through. This is my favorite comb. I just go through like that. And now I'm gonna lock in with some gel. just scrunch, and then I put it back. Next section. So we're actually doing the flip section method, but just on these top sections. Because my hair's got longer, I sometimes prefer to style this very bottom section down, like upright, and then these two flipped over, so I can see what I'm doing for the full definition, but I can also benefit from the volume of flipping my hair over and separating my clumps. This is how I can tell my hair's got thicker, because I could just have one section at the front before. Now I feel like I need 3 just on this top section alone. It's crazy. Taking my brush, comb. Now I'm going to take my gel. I like to gel section by section because similar to distributing the cream with a brush, you're kind of like making sure it's everywhere. Now we're taking this bit. This is still the first section, but I've had to section it even more. If you want to do the same, you can just twist the bit you're not using so it doesn't get caught up with the rest. You know, I genuinely enjoy this. So many people find wash day a chore, but I actually enjoy it. It's so therapeutic for me. Gel. Now we're taking this middle one, and we may have to also separate this. I'm just gonna twist this. Taking this off because it's really annoying me. Put the hands in, shake, flip, and leave them there. Gently take out, shake. You can really feel the volume up here. Now, I'm gonna go in with an extra product. You're probably like, you don't need any more. I do, I wanna use more. I'm going to use the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. This is going to add to the volume, but it's so lightweight, it's not going to weigh the hair down. Because it's got protein in, it's also going to help with definition as well. It's going to help kind of lift the hair up if it needs it. So I'm going to go in with that much. And I'm just going to glaze and scrunch. Also, the Flexi Jelly gel that I just used isn't too heavy or anything, it's quite lightweight, so this extra little bit of hold's not going to be too much. And there we go, nice and clumped, ready for diffusing. I'm using the Curlsmith Diffusing hairdryer. I love this. It's a massive bowl. It really dries the root quickly. I will probably do a voiceover now. Obviously you won't be able to hear me, and I'll show you a few techniques I like to do for volume and definition.
So first of all, I start off by kind of hovering it, but I don't mind if I touch my hair. I just make sure that I flip my hair throughout the routine for flexible root volume. And what I'm kind of doing here is cupping the ends of my hair and just putting the diffuser on the side, because this means that I'm not going to get those wonky curl ends. Then I gently move my hair upwards with the diffuser bowl on that top section. This is really going to help give dimension in the hair and just kind of disconnect the top from the bottom a little bit by giving it a little bit more body.
Okay, we're kind of 60% dry. Now I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'm just gonna root clip. So I pinch the hair forward, just grip like that. And this is just make sure that my hair stays voluminous. Look at that. That is what we want. To make sure my hair stays voluminous while it air dries for the rest now. I'm also going to put a silk scarf around my neck. I normally do it while I'm diffusing, but I actually forgot. So I'm going to do that now so that if my hair's rubbing against me, it's not going to cause any friction from my top or anything. It's going to just glide along. Oh, sorry, Frankie, wait there. Let me get it for you. There you go. Yes. My hair's still not dry. I'm gonna leave it a little bit longer. Just gonna take this pick comb Some bits are a little bit crispy, like on the sides, but I'm not gonna scrunch them out just because they'll kind of scrunched out on their own when I'm in the car. Because of the diffusing techniques I did, flipping my hair side to side, I can, if I want, have a side part like that. I actually do like this. I think I'll keep the side part with this little curl at the front. There we go. This most certainly was a maximum definition and volume routine. I'm so impressed with the results. If you try this routine, please let me know. I really think there's something that everyone could maybe take from it. Even if you don't use the exact same products, you can mix and match things, take what you think might work for you, because we all are different at the end of the day. We all have very different heads of hair, and that is that. Maximum volume and maximum definition. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more curly content from me. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.